In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your canvas size in Canva. Whether you're designing a social media post, a presentation, or a custom graphic, knowing how to adjust your canvas size can be incredibly useful. This guide will walk you step by step through the process of resizing your canvas using Canva Pro. First, let's ensure you have access to Canva Pro, as resizing your canvas is one of its exclusive features. Once you've confirmed that, go ahead and open your design project in Canva. When you've got your project open, locate the Resize button. You'll find this at the top of your design interface. Clicking on Resize will reveal several resizing options. An intuitive feature of Canva is that it provides you with suggested dimensions for different formats, right there in the options. This can be extremely handy if you're not quite sure about the size you need, or if you're working on multiple formats, like a social media post, that require specific dimensions. If one of the suggested sizes fits your needs, you can simply select it. Canva will automatically adjust your design to those dimensions, allowing you to preview how it looks. However, if you need a specific dimension that isn't in the suggested options, don't worry. Canva allows you to input custom dimensions. Look for the custom size option, typically located beneath the preset options. Click on it, and you'll be able to enter your desired width and height. This feature is particularly useful for projects requiring precise measurements, such as banners or printables. When setting a custom size, remember that the units can be switched between pixels, inches, millimeters, or centimeters. Another handy feature, depending on whether you're designing for digital or print. To avoid any unwanted stretching or alteration in your design, make sure to maintain the aspect ratio, especially with images and text. Adjust any elements that might have shifted while resizing to ensure they appear exactly how you envisioned. Once you've set your new dimensions, click Copy and Resize, and your design will generate with the new size you've inputted. Make a habit of reviewing your resized design to ensure all elements are positioned correctly, making adjustments as needed. Following these simple steps ensures your design is tailored to the exact specifications you need, without any hassle. Knowing how to tweak canvas sizes effectively means you'll always deliver polished, professional quality designs, so spend some time exploring these options to enhance your design work in Canva. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.